Now that your assistant is connected to Telegram, the last thing I'll show you is how to add skills. Skills give your assistant the ability to actually do things, like read your Gmail, check your calendar, or search the web. The easiest way to find skills is to ask your assistant directly. I'll type, "What skills can we add?" And you'll see that your bot is typing. And there are a lot of skills, so it'll be helpful to narrow down for your assistant what you're actually working on. You can also browse the official directory at clawhub.ai, and our bot even links that for us. I'll click this to open. Before installing anything, I'd recommend checking the virus total report on the skills page. If I open a skill, you'll find that under the audits section. Click virus total here, and you'll get even more information. Security researchers have found many malicious skills on ClawHub, and although a high download count is a good sign, it doesn't necessarily mean the skill is safe. To install one, just ask your assistant by name, or paste the GitHub link of the skill into the chat, and it will walk you through the setup. Once installed, the skills will usually require a bit of information from you to connect, and then you'll be all set.